Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a slow shutter effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This effect is popular in music videos and feature films for delivering a dramatic motion trail look. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your footage ready in the timeline. To create the slow shutter effect, we'll use the Echo effect. Go to the Effects panel, type Echo in the search bar and drag it onto your footage. The Echo effect adds repetition to your video, making any movement appear as a trail of motion. Now, let's configure the Echo effect. Set the number of echoes to 5 and the echo time to 0.055. When you play it back, you might notice the footage looks too bright and chaotic. To fix this, reset the echo number back to the default setting and hit Preview to see how it looks. Next, adjust the brightness. Change the echo operator to screen and then add a Lumetri color effect to your footage. In Lumetri color, reduce the exposure and saturation slightly. You can also adjust the midtones in the curves section and darken the shadows in the color wheel section. This should make your footage look more balanced. Finally, to make the footage drop some frames for an authentic slow shutter effect, add the Posterize Time effect. In the Effects panel, search for Posterize Time and drag it onto your footage. Adjust the frame rate to around 12 frames per second. This will give the footage a stuttered, frame-dropping look that mimics the slow shutter effect. And that's it! Now you have a slow shutter effect created entirely in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.